If your iPhone is frozen, lagging, or not responding, doing a soft reset can fix it in seconds, and it won't delete any of your data. Here's exactly how to do it. First, locate the volume up, volume down, and the side button on your iPhone. Now, follow this sequence carefully. Quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down. And right after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, even when the screen goes black. Don't let go until you see the Apple logo appear. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can release the button. Your iPhone will now restart. And that's it. You've successfully done a soft reset. This process is also called a force restart, and it's really useful when your phone is completely unresponsive. And just to be clear, this will not delete any of your apps, photos, or data. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. Timing is important, especially the quick presses at the beginning.